In today's daily news, we turn our attention to the largest landmass, or maybe the second largest. I need to go back and check my geography. But nevertheless, the Grand Island of Hispaniola that shares border with Haiti and the Dominican Republic offers the second home porting opportunity for Norwegian cruise lines this summer. The ever popular Norwegian Gem will begin sailing from the wonderful port of La Romana in Punta Cana, and of course this is in the Dominican Republic. Departures will begin in October, and these are Sunday to Sunday sailings. And just a quick look at the exciting itinerary on offer. So at 9 p.m. on every Sunday, we will depart Punta Cana, La Romana, and the first full day sailing will be a day at sea. Thereafter, our first port of call will be Bridgetown, Barbados. That's a full day in port starting at 8 a.m. until 9 p.m., after which we will take up anchor and head to St. Lucia. I have wonderful memories of St. Lucia. I remember we got there on their Independence Day, and that was such a treat. And of course, arrive in St. Lucia at 6 a.m., departing at 5 p.m. My favorite little island in the Caribbean, hands down, Philipsburg, St. Martin, is on this agenda. This itinerary is really, really fabulous. I'm liking it a lot. And so from St. Lucia, we'll arrive in Philipsburg, St. Martin, and full day there from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. The shopping has always been great. The quality of shoes, and remember, this is a French and Dutch territory, and so you get shoes that will make you weep. Love St. Martin for sure. After we depart St. Martin at 7 p.m., our next sailing will take us on to St. John's, Antigua. Another full day, arriving 7 a.m. and departing 7 p.m. And of course, after such a full itinerary, it's nice to just wind down, explore the ship, because the ship in itself, as we always say, is a destination. So our penultimate day will be a full day at sea with wine, dining, relaxation, whatever you choose. And on Sunday, bright and early, 6 a.m., we dock once more in Punta Cana, ready to do it all over again. As we conclude this edition of the Daily News, I want to bring the thought to your mind that back-to-back sailings within the Caribbean is quite a possibility if you consider it. The Norwegian Joy will do Saturday 7-night rotations, arriving back into the port of Montego Bay very early, 6 a.m. And so it's quite conceivable to take a short drive from the Norwegian Joy over to the Montego Bay airport, get onto that Inter-Caribbean airline flight, and jet over to Punta Cana. Get there overnight, enjoy the wonderful city, and head to La Romana for your departure Sunday. I think it's a win-win situation. Let's go cruise in the Caribbean the Norwegian way with Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.